Hello YouTube, this is Mark from PhoneSmith. Today we'll be doing an unboxing on the iPhone XR. We'll be using my friend Zeke's hands for the demonstration. The XR we are unboxing today is a 64 gig white variant iPhone XR. It comes with the beautiful OLED screens which all X's come with, and as you can see there's no home button still on these phones, no charging, no audio port, no nothing. However, they did change the camera, which is a big downfall. It looked like a damn 7 now, which is ridiculous. But in the traditional unboxing video, I'm showing you guys the charger dock every iPhone comes with. And again guys, there are no AirPods which come with this iPhone. And there goes the charging cable. Of course, again, a traditional unboxing. And let's put everything back in the box so we can move on to this phone. So as I can see guys, there has been no major changes to this phone. The only thing that's different about it is that it has customizable colors that it comes with, which which might match your nails or your hair or whatever. But besides that, the phone is just a regular iPhone XR, which I feel like they downgraded below the X. It costs $750 retailing at T-Mobile if it's bought outright, and it comes with the regular camera functions which all X's come with, and 7s and 8 Pluses come with the new iOS 12.0.1. and after that, like, besides that, the phone has a 7 camera. It looked like a 7 from the back. Like, I feel like Apple has really downgraded a little bit with this phone, and it's really overrated overall because the phone really doesn't really do anything crazy. Like, and then I had to touch it a little bit and play with it myself after Zeke was done, because I was literally trying to find something to just give you guys a review about. But guys, there's personally, like, I think this is a terrible iPhone. Like, I feel like it feels like the 5C. The back is not completely glass, it's more plexiglass than regular glass. It's like a plastic, just like the 5C. And overall guys, just please like, comment, subscribe.